President Trump says he's asking Congress to pass payroll tax relief as companies suffer under the coronavirus fears. The White House announcing, despite several Trump allies self-quarantining after being exposed to the virus, the president still hasn't been tested himself. Fox News correspondent Caroline Shively reports from Washington on how the government is handling the crisis.
President Trump says he'll give us more details today on what type of relief package his administration is putting together and who could be in line to receive it.
We're going to be working with companies and small companies, large companies, a lot of companies, so that they don't get penalized for something that's not their fault. It's not their fault. It's not our country's fault.
The president specifically spoke about helping hourly workers and the hotel, airline, and cruise ship industries. But Democratic leaders in Congress seem skeptical about a potential payroll tax holiday floated by the administration.
They're all more worried about Dow Jones than the Jones family.
Reporters asked the president last night if he'd been tested for the virus, but he walked off without answering. Then late last night, the White House said he has not been. That's even though he'd been near some members of Congress who are now self-quarantining because they unknowingly had direct contact with a coronavirus patient. Florida Congressman Matt Gaetz, who flew on Air Force One with the president yesterday, is among them. Gaetz wore a gas mask on the floor of the House last week to vote for an emergency spending bill to fight the virus. Meanwhile, the remaining passengers of a cruise ship off San Francisco are being unloaded today. Several people on board have tested positive. American passengers are being taken to military bases for quarantine. Still, the White House says, stay calm.
The risk of contracting the coronavirus for the average American remains low.
Vice President Pence says the risk will stay low if Americans continue to use common sense precautions. So far, over 100,000 cases have been diagnosed worldwide. In Washington, Caroline Shively, Fox 16 News.